Hey guys, here we are at Duran Motorsports in Ottawa. We have this brand new Lucid Air. Beautiful car, most luxurious electric car that I have personally seen. They took the time and designed what's needed. We're doing a full Xpel stealth wrap on this vehicle. All the silver, the gray, whatever you want to call it, it's going black. And then all the white is going a full custom, all-in, inclusive wrap Xpel stealth. We're just doing the hood up at the front right now. Just want to show you this piece here. We've got the back end finish. This is done in one piece. So a couple things that what makes us different is we tuck the edges as far as we can. So when the trim goes back on this, like this one back here, you cannot see any lines. As well as the door handle. We wrap all the way down and in everywhere. We extend the edges. When you go onto the plotter and plot this, the plot stops right in this body line here. Extended it up, so now it covers more surface area. Here's the finished product of the Lucid Air. Start to finish, it is now completely wrapped in Xpel Stealth paint protection film, every edge, every corner. Thanks for watching. Visit us at Duran Motorsports.